Are you looking for a reliable QuickBooks Online connector to retrieve your data in a convenient way? Discover the most convenient PowerBI QuickBooks Online connector available, designed for seamless integration and easy data formatting. Avoid countless hours trying to align PowerBI with QuickBooks Online. Our connector simplifies this with its intuitive format. Data is grouped into cohesive tables like P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, eliminating the need for manual data blending. Drill down into specific transactions effortlessly, accessing detailed values of your accounts with just a few clicks. Combine data from multiple QuickBooks Online accounts into a single file, perfect for accounting practices or company groups. It's simple as ABC to use our connector. Just log on to the URL here, register with your email and password. Once you sign in, click on the Install menu. You can use the FED Corp database to make things faster. Then click the Install button. The script will create tables inside of the database. Why recreate financial statements yourself? You can use our free PowerBI template to visualize QuickBooks data in just 5 minutes. Our PowerBI QuickBooks Online connector is the ideal tool for efficient, accurate financial data management across multiple accounts.